When you speak to the universe the right way, a powerful transformation begins to unfold. Life may feel unpredictable at times, but beneath it all lies a truth many overlook. You have the ability to shape your reality. The secret lies in the energy you send out through your words and thoughts. Every word you speak carries a vibration that echoes into the universe, and the universe always responds. This response isn't random or selective. It mirrors the energy and intention behind your words. Imagine the universe as a wise, loving force, constantly listening to everything you express, whether silently in your mind or aloud. It doesn't judge your desires or your circumstances. Instead, it tunes into the energy you project. The shift happens when you recognize this truth and begin to consciously align your words with the life you desire. Your words are far more than casual statements. They are creative tools that shape your world. It's important to understand that speaking to the universe correctly isn't about using perfect phrases or magical incantations. Instead, it's about speaking with clarity, love, and unwavering belief. When your words align with a sense of gratitude and trust, the universe begins to organize your life in ways you may not immediately see, but will undoubtedly feel in time. Words hold energy, and energy holds power. Have you ever noticed how the tone and energy of someone's words can completely shift your mood or influence a situation? This same principle applies to the way the universe interprets the energy of your words. They are vibrations that carry your deepest emotions, beliefs, and intentions out into the world. Think of your words as seeds you plant in the soil of the universe. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, or negativity, the universe will nurture those seeds and return them to you in the form of similar experiences. On the other hand, if you plant seeds of love, gratitude, and faith, you create the conditions for a flourishing, abundant life. The universe isn't just listening to what you say, it's listening to the energy behind your words. It hears whether you're speaking from a place of belief or fear, from love or lack. This is why simply saying affirmations without truly believing them doesn't always yield results. If your energy doesn't match the words you speak, there's a disconnect. To create change, your energy must align with your intentions. Speaking to the universe is a practice of presence and awareness. When you choose your words carefully and speak with purpose, you become a conscious creator of your reality. You shift from a passive participant in life to an active co-creator with the universe. When you speak to the universe, the most important ingredient is belief. Without it, your words lose their power. If you've ever felt like your affirmations or prayers aren't working, it may be because you're speaking from a place of doubt. The universe doesn't just respond to the words you say, it responds to the energy you embody while saying them. Take a moment to reflect on the words you've been using lately. Have you been saying things like, "I'll never get through this," or "Nothing ever goes my way"? These words may feel like harmless expressions of frustration, but they carry a vibration of doubt and lack. The universe takes that energy and mirrors it back to you, creating more experiences that match those feelings. Now, imagine replacing those words with statements like, "I trust that things are getting better," or "I am open to new opportunities." These phrases carry a very different energy, one of hope, trust, and belief. When you speak with belief, you're sending a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Belief is not about pretending everything is perfect or forcing yourself to ignore your challenges. It's about choosing to trust in the possibilities that exist beyond your current circumstances. Even if you're unsure how things will work out, your belief in the universe's ability to support you creates a powerful ripple effect. The shift begins when you move from doubt to trust, from fear to faith, and from limitation to possibility. Let your words be an expression of the life you want, not the life you fear. When you speak with belief, you activate the creative power of the universe, allowing it to work on your behalf in ways that might surprise and amaze you. Every word you speak is an act of creation, whether you realize it or not. Words are not just fleeting sounds. They are energetic commands that ripple out into the universe, setting the tone for your life. What you say, especially to yourself, carries the power to shape your reality. Picture your words as paintbrush strokes on the canvas of your life. If you use colors of negativity and self-doubt, the picture you create will reflect those feelings. But when you speak with love, gratitude, and hope, your life begins to take on brighter, more vibrant hues. The universe listens to the tone and energy behind every word, and it creates an alignment with what you project. Start your day with intention. If the first thing you say in the morning is, "I'm so tired," or "This day is going to be hard," you are setting the stage for a challenging day. Your words direct your energy and influence how the universe responds to you. However, if you wake up and declare, "I am grateful for this new day," or "Today is filled with endless possibilities," you shift your energy to one of positivity and gratitude. It's not about ignoring challenges or pretending problems don't exist. It's about choosing to speak words that reflect the life you want, not the life you fear. With every word you speak, you are planting seeds. Choose to plant seeds of abundance, joy, and peace. When you do, the universe nurtures those seeds and brings them to life in ways that may surprise you. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces you can harness. When you speak from a place of gratitude, you align yourself with the flow of abundance in the universe. Gratitude sends a clear signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more of what you already appreciate. Think of gratitude as a magnet for blessings. When you focus on what you're thankful for, no matter how small, you naturally attract more reasons to feel grateful. The universe responds to your energy of appreciation by sending you more experiences that match that vibration. It's a cycle of positivity that grows stronger the more you practice it. Begin your day by listing things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the warmth of the sun, the comfort of your home, or the love of a friend. When you start with gratitude, you set the tone for your day and invite more reasons to feel thankful. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance, from wanting to having. Even during challenging times, finding something to be grateful for can shift your perspective and energy. Gratitude isn't about ignoring difficulties. It's about choosing to focus on the blessings within and around you. When you consistently express gratitude, the universe mirrors that energy back to you, creating a life filled with abundance, joy, and love. Patience is a vital part of working with the universe. Often, we speak our desires and expect immediate results. When things don't happen as quickly as we'd like, doubt can creep in, making us question whether the universe is listening at all. But the truth is, the universe operates on its own perfect timing, not on the timelines we create in our minds. Divine timing ensures that everything unfolds when you are truly ready to receive it. Sometimes delays happen because the universe is aligning the people, opportunities, and circumstances needed to bring your desires to life in the best possible way. These delays are not rejections, they are preparations. When you feel like nothing is happening, trust that the universe is working behind the scenes. Just because you can't see immediate results doesn't mean your words and intentions aren't being heard. Patience requires faith, and faith requires surrender, letting go of the need to control every detail and trusting that everything is unfolding for your highest good. The universe knows what you need and when you need it. Your role is to continue speaking with belief, gratitude, and clarity, even when you don't see immediate evidence of change. Trust the process. Trust that the universe's timing is always perfect, even when it doesn't align with your expectations. When you let go of the need for instant results and embrace patience, you open yourself to receiving blessings far greater than you imagined. The universe's plan is always greater than ours, and trusting its timing is a powerful way to align yourself with the flow of life. One of the biggest challenges in working with the universe is letting go of control. We often feel the need to plan every detail, map out every step, and dictate exactly how and when our desires should manifest. But the truth is, the more we try to control the process, the more we limit the ways in which the universe can work its magic. The universe has infinite wisdom and possibilities far beyond what we can imagine. When you release the need to micromanage the outcome, you create space for the universe to bring your desires to life in ways that are even better than you envisioned. Surrendering control doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It means trusting that the universe knows the best way to bring them to you. Think of it this way. When you plant a seed, you don't stand over it, demanding it to grow immediately. You trust that with time, sunlight, and water, it will grow. The same principle applies to your desires. Once you've spoken them to the universe, trust that they are being nurtured and will bloom in divine timing. Let go of the how and when. Instead, focus on the what and the why. Be clear about what you want and why it matters to you. Then allow the universe to take care of the rest. The act of surrender is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of deep trust and faith in the process of life. The way you speak to yourself sets the foundation for how the universe responds to you. Your internal dialogue creates an energetic imprint that the universe mirrors back. If your self-talk is filled with criticism, doubt, and fear, that energy will influence the reality you experience. Start paying attention to how you speak to yourself. Are your words kind, compassionate, and encouraging? Or are they harsh and filled with negativity? Transforming your inner dialogue is one of the most powerful shifts you can make. Begin by replacing negative self-talk with loving affirmations like, I am enough, I am worthy, and I am capable of achieving my dreams. When you look in the mirror, speak to yourself as you would to someone you deeply care about. Tell yourself, I love you and I'm proud of you. These simple words carry immense power and can begin to heal old wounds and release limiting beliefs. The universe doesn't distinguish between the words you say out loud and the ones you silently repeat in your mind. Both are forms of energy that shape your life. By shifting your self-talk to one of love and acceptance, you align yourself with the abundant flow of the universe. Sometimes, no matter how much we try, it feels like our desires are out of reach. This is often because of unconscious blocks, deeply rooted beliefs that tell us we're not worthy or that we must struggle to receive what we want. These blocks can stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or things we've been told growing up. The good news is that these blocks can be cleared, and the universe is always ready to help. When you feel stuck, ask the universe for guidance in releasing what no longer serves you. You don't have to do this alone. The universe will support you in healing and transforming any beliefs that hold you back. One powerful tool for clearing blocks is affirmations. These are not just words. They are declarations of your readiness to shift and receive. For example, saying, "I release all beliefs that no longer serve me," or "I am open to receiving abundance with ease," can begin to reprogram your mind and energy. Clearing blocks takes time and patience, but each step brings you closer to the flow of love and abundance. When you let go of old fears and doubts, you create space for new possibilities to emerge. The shift begins when you choose to release the past and embrace the limitless potential of the present. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a way of life. When you cultivate a daily practice of gratitude, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance and love. Gratitude opens your heart and shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's already present. Start each day by expressing gratitude for 3 things. They don't have to be big. Something as simple as the warmth of your bed, the sound of birds outside, or the feeling of sunlight on your skin can be enough. As you acknowledge these blessings, feel the gratitude in your heart. Let it radiate through your entire being. Gratitude isn't just about the present moment, it's also about the future. When you express thanks for what you're asking for, as if it's already yours, you align yourself with the energy of having it. For example, saying, "Thank you for the abundance flowing into my life," even before you see the evidence, creates a powerful shift in your vibration. The universe loves gratitude. When you consistently express it, the universe responds by giving you more reasons to be thankful. It's a simple yet profound way to strengthen your connection with the flow of life and to invite more joy, love, and abundance into your experience. The shift begins with you. Your words, your thoughts, and your energy are the keys to unlocking the life you desire. When you speak with belief, gratitude, and love, you align yourself with the infinite possibilities of the universe. Trust the process, even when the results aren't immediate. Trust the timing, even when it feels uncertain. And most importantly, trust in your own worth and power as a co-creator of your reality. Small changes in the way you speak to yourself and to the universe can create profound transformations over time. The universe is always listening, always responding, and always supporting you. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and speak with an open heart. The shift is waiting for you to embrace it, and when you do, life will unfold in the most beautiful and abundant ways.